Most people use Google Gemini for simple questions, and honestly, that's just scratching the surface. Today, I'm going to show you how to actually get the most out of it. I'll walk you through 5 powerful use cases that can help you research faster, write smarter, automate tasks, and boost your productivity like a pro. Let's dive in.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
So first, let's open the Gemini app and jump straight into our first use case. We're going to write a simple prompt. Write an email to my client about a collaboration opportunity on my Instagram page. Now, what most people do here is they just select a model, usually the thinking model for complex tasks, and hit submit. Gemini generates the email, and honestly, it looks pretty good. But here's the problem nobody talks about. You can't properly edit that email inside Gemini. If you want to add your client's name, your Instagram page link, your follower count, you're stuck. And if you hit the copy button, it copies everything, including all the extra fluff below the response that you didn't ask for. Frustrating, right? So here's the smarter way to do it. Instead of just copying the output, take your original prompt, paste it back into Gemini, but this time, before you hit submit, go to Tools and select Canvas. That one small step changes everything. Now when Gemini generates the response, it opens inside a workspace-style environment. You can choose your preferred email format, pick the version you like, delete the options you don't need, and strip out any unnecessary filler. And the best part? You can now freely edit the email. Add your client's name, drop in your Instagram link, mention your follower count, and make it completely your own. That's how you properly customize emails inside Gemini. It's a small change, but it makes a massive difference in your workflow. All right, let's move on to use case number 2. This time, we're uploading a file, a spreadsheet with the 2026 AI Agent Productivity Report. And if you've ever opened a raw data file, you know what this looks like. Rows, columns, numbers everywhere. Making sense of it manually would take forever. So instead, we upload it into Gemini and use this prompt. Act as a senior data scientist. Analyze this attached data to identify the 3 most surprising trends for 2026. Visualize these trends in a professional dashboard and synthesize the findings into a 3-bullet executive summary suitable for a CEO. We're essentially asking Gemini to think like a data analyst, pull out real insights, build visuals, and package everything neatly for a decision maker. We select the thinking model because this is a complex task and hit submit. Now, most users stop here and accept whatever static charts Gemini spits out. But here's where the real magic happens. Upload the spreadsheet again, write the same prompt, but this time go to Tools, select Canvas, then submit. The difference is night and day. Instead of static visuals, Gemini actually starts writing code to build a professional dashboard. What you get is a fully structured report titled 2026 AI Agent Strategic Analysis. There's a revenue growth chart highlighting what it calls the technology paradox, a bar chart breaking down operational error rates across sectors like education, finance, healthcare, and logistics, and a scatter graph showing a service precision matrix where you can visually interpret performance across categories. And at the very bottom, it generates a 2026 strategic directive section complete with critical alerts, opportunities, and service shifts, all laid out in a clean executive format. Now compare that to scrolling through a raw spreadsheet. Completely different experience. And the only thing you changed was selecting Canvas before clicking submit. That's it. Now, use case 3, and this one's my personal favorite. We're testing Gemini as a real personal assistant. Here's the prompt. Scan my recent emails from this client, create a 5-day action plan for next week, flag any conflicting deadlines from my calendar, and draft a summary update I can send to the team on Monday. That's a lot to ask, right? We're telling Gemini to check emails, analyze deadlines, cross-reference the calendar, build a structured action plan, and write a team update all in one go. We select the thinking model for better reasoning and hit submit. What happens next is genuinely impressive. Gemini starts accessing your workspace, emails, calendar, the whole thing. Once it's done, it generates a detailed 5-day action plan based on recent communication around the alpha launch. It clearly flags calendar conflicts, including holidays on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then it drafts a clean, ready-to-send Monday team update email. If you're managing multiple clients or just constantly juggling tasks, this is a game changer. Instead of manually digging through your inbox and calendar, Gemini organizes everything into a structured plan in seconds. Use case 4 is where things get really creative. We're testing Gemini's music generation capabilities. We upload an image as a mood reference, then enter this prompt. Analyze the vibe of this photo. Generate a 30-second cyberpunk track that matches the neon lights and urban chaos. Use aggressive cowbell melodies, heavy distorted bass, and a tempo of 160 BPM. Automatically generate lyrics about running through digital rain with a gritty, processed male vocal style. We select the Create Music option and hit Submit. Gemini uses its Lyria music capabilities to bring this to life, and honestly, the result is surprisingly cohesive.
Chrome drips, code streams in the city haze, lost inside this neon painted maze. Asphalt screams beneath the slick tires burn, nowhere left to hide, no point of safe return. Running through the digital rain, blowing out my synthetic brain. Running through the digital rain, and the digital
Writes the lyrics, nails the tempo, adds the aggressive instrumentation, and ties the whole vibe back to the image reference. This isn't just a text tool anymore. Gemini can handle creative audio production, and that's something most people don't even know it can do. And finally, use case 5, probably the most powerful one on this list. This is about Notebook LM inside Gemini. You can now access Notebook LM directly from Gemini and pull in notebooks you've already created. For example, we have a notebook called Quantum Book. We add it into Gemini and write this prompt: create a slide on quantum computing using this notebook. We select Canvas in the thinking model, then submit. Within seconds, Gemini starts generating slides in HTML format, and what comes out looks genuinely presentation ready. Clean layout, relevant visuals, properly structured information. No switching between platforms, no formatting headaches, just a polished slide ready to present in under a minute. So those were 5 powerful Gemini use cases: editable emails with Canvas, advanced data dashboards, personal assistant automation, AI music generation, and Notebook LM slide creation. Each one shows that Gemini is way more than just a chatbot. Let me know in the comments which use case was your favorite, and if you've discovered any other powerful workflows, drop them below. I'd love to see what you're building. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. See you in the next one.